Hunting isn't just a sport, it's a way of life. It's not just about the kill or the bragging rights. It's about being in the outdoors and in God's creation. It's the camaraderie at deer camp, sharing the love of the hunt, and putting food on the table, providing for your family. Hunting is a privilege, so don't take the opportunity for granted. This passion has been passed down for generations and generations. I know there are people out there who understand what I'm talking about. And it's people like you who need to share the passion for the outdoors and the love of the hunt. Hunting isn't just a sport. It's a way of life. Welcome to the 7-day video series, guys. This series I titled The Nooks and Crannies of Hunting. Don't really know how I got that name. It just kind of came to my head, and that's why I decided to title it. So in this series, we're going to be covering a lot of topics, including where to hunt, what gear do I need, rifle or bow, and even what to do after the kill, like gutting it, dressing it, and even what to cook. So this series is coming from the perspective of a young Christian outdoorsman, myself, who is passionate about the outdoors and really wants to share my experiences and my knowledge with the next generation of hunters, and even those who are older, who are still wanting to get into hunting, and they're just looking for some knowledge and some skills before they start spending money and doing who knows what. For me, hunting is more than just a sport. It's a place for me to go and be with God and just be in peace. Everybody has like their way of relieving stress. Some people meditate, I guess, or yoga. For me, it's hunting. You know, I also love just being outdoors, and I do love the kill and the harvest and all that goes with it. The challenge and the whole process of hunting, I really enjoy it. And I've learned a lot over my years of hunting. I've been hunting for 10 years. So I've learned a lot, you know, from my dad, my uncles, friends, and even just doing my own research and teaching myself some skills. A lot of the stuff that I use for hunting, I've like purchased myself. A lot of the skills I use, I taught myself, but I'm very thankful for the people in my life, like my dad and uncles and family, who have taught me a lot of the basics of hunting and really planted that seed and got me into hunting, and now I'm hooked. And now I want to bring value to you guys by giving you knowledge and skills and teaching you guys stuff, all the stuff that I've learned. Now, I don't know everything. I still have a lot to learn, and hopefully I will be able to learn stuff from you guys as well. So if you have any questions, or if there's anything you want to say, or if I said anything wrong, please leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them. I love having conversations with you guys in the comments, and I really like reading them. So please leave a comment if you feel led to do so. So stay tuned, guys. I can't wait to start this series and share the information with you guys. Hopefully you'll be able to learn something. Like I said, I really want to bring value to you guys. If I don't bring value to you guys, or you don't learn anything, I'm sorry, and I wish I could have. So stay tuned, guys. Get your notepads out, get ready to learn some stuff. We will see you tomorrow.